To get started on the pulled pork grilled cheese sandwich, all you're going to need is some room temperature butter, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of rub that you love, some leftover pulled pork, 2 slices of bread, and this is our cold smoked cheddar and mozzarella cheese. First thing you want to do, turn up your pan to medium heat. Now, just add the oil to your frying pan. While the oil heats up in the pan, take your bread, give it a good coating of butter on one side. Next, just start grating your cold smoked cheese, or any cheese you like. We're going to mix it up with some mozzarella and cheddar cheese on this pulled pork grilled cheese sandwich. Pan's nice and hot with that oil, just throw the pork in. Mix it around, get it all oiled up, heat up all the fat so it softens up. Keep heating up the pork while stirring it around in that oil, getting it nice and warm. Then, take some of your dry rub and just sprinkle it on. Let this cook for a few minutes and keep stirring it. While the pork heats up, start with your first layer of cheese on the bread. Don't be shy. Pork's all warmed up and smelling great. Now, just throw it on that piece of bread. Don't want it to be too pretty. Build it up halfway and take some more cheese. Throw it in the middle. Then add the rest of the pork right to the top. Top it off with some more cheese. Now, time to turn up the heat. Medium high, give it a couple minutes, we'll get that grilled cheese on there. Frying pan's nice and hot, let's get that grilled cheese on. Sounds great. Time to give it a flip. Oh, looking good. Taste tester. Another one. Another minute or two. She's all done. Pulled pork grilled cheese, looking great. Time to take it off. Let's give it another flip. Check it out. Grilled cheese, all done and looking great. Let's cut it down the middle and take a peek. Look at that. Time to give it a taste test.